Bad Leo. Oh, Bad Leo, right there. Spit on my face. Bad Leo.
Excuse me.
You're good.
They jumped on that white man. They kicked him and beat him out. Me and my neighbor seen it.
Out of who?
The gentleman in the gray pants right there?
Yep.
He was shooting a gun, about 8 rounds or so. Then he knocked the female down, then he knocked the male and the female down.
Where are those people?
Right there.
Right there.
No.
The greenhouse.
Them two guys and the white people right there in this house right here.
Did anyone get shot?
No.
No,
but
they shot it. They shot the damn gun.
I seen them shooting it.
Okay.
And then
Just
when
I heard it.
We're gonna be right.
I heard it.
Okay.
But I seen him when they beat that man up.
What kind of gun did he have?
it was a pistol. I don't know. Couldn't tell.
Okay.
But I seen him boom, boom, boom.
Them two right there. Them two guys. They beat that man up.
The two that are pushing?
Ma'am, I seen it. So the guy in the gray shorts shot the gun off. The other guy is kind of camouflage shorts.
Yep.
All right. It's the guy in the gray that he's pushing him back. He's the one that shot off the rounds, knocked over the grill, and started smacking a woman who went this way.
Okay.
And then before she got it over here, they got in the neighbor's yard, and he popped that gentleman in the white shirt, the guy in the gray. And then when another man came out, the one that's up by the door now, that's when the other guy, I guess it's his brother, came over and started jumping him.
Yep. And they start kicking the man.
Where are you at? Because we're gonna.
Right here.
Okay. We'll be back to talk to you in a minute. Okay.
On May 2nd, 2023, officers responded to a shots fired and battery call. 1 arrest, 9 charges, 31.2 months in state prison.
Hey guys, what's going on?
So I heard gunshots.
Okay.
I came outside.
Is anyone shot or anything?
No.
What's that from?
Those two right there attacked me.
They attacked you?
They attacked me.
Why?
Because I was trying to defend a girl.
Okay. Do you need medical attention?
No.
Alright, just one sec.
No, they attacked.
Hey, he's saying he was battered by these two guys.
Try it again.
Alright.
So try it again. Try it again. Mommy, I ain't do nothing. I ain't do not one thing. Not one thing. On the house.
Yeah. So far, he's saying he was battered by them.
He wasn't battered.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Okay. Damn. That's a hurt. No.
Yeah, dude in the gray had the gun.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for more people to get because they're all trying to fight us. So.
You don't tell us how this is gonna go.
What?
You don't get to tell us how this is gonna go. We're gonna figure all this out.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay. Why?
So that's how it's done.
Fired.
We're not taking your word for it. We're standing right
well,
here.
do what you got to do then.
All right. That's what we're gonna do.
Do what you got to do. No, go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
We'll lock the house down. We don't care.
Huh?
We'll lock the house down.
What you mean?
We'll surround it. Doesn't matter.
Okay. Can you tell us what happened? I don't know if they talked to you yet. Let's step behind the car.
Yeah, the guy, I heard gunshots. And I heard gunshots, and he was holding the girl down. She left.
Which one was holding the girl down?
This right here.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was gonna.
This one with the jean shorts?
Yeah, he says he's gonna kill her. And the other guy comes up and I said, "Look, just leave her alone." And then they attacked me.
Okay. You want paramedics?
No.
Okay.
Who attacked?
Which one was it?
Both of them.
Okay.
For what reason?
Because I told them to quit beating on the girl.
What was she wearing?
I have no idea, man.
Okay.
So amped up.
Okay, so let me tell you like this. Y'all, all of y'all, it's one. Y'all said it's public property.
Well, we're conducting investigations for really
For what?
Because there's shots fired, people are extremely uncooperative.
Huh? Well, I mean, look at all these police.
Yeah, because there were shots multiple times.
Who is you yelling at?
You.
You don't yell at me. I don't care who you is. That's one thing you're not gonna do. You gonna respect me. You gonna have some respect. I don't care. No, because I was talking to you like a calm person, and the way that you sit up here and you just raised your voice at me, I don't play that. You don't raise your voice at me. You talking more calmly. What's up?
We had multiple calls for shots fired. That's why we're here.
Okay. And like,
That's why we're checking to see if everybody's okay. We want to make sure nobody's hurt.
Nobody's hurt. Like I was trying to tell him before he started raising his voice at me. He said that I was like, okay. He said they're being uncooperative. But it's like all these police for what? You know what I'm saying? Like
Well, anytime we get a call for possible shots fired, yeah, there's going to be a big response. You have to
Okay.
understand, for everybody's protection here, but as well as for ours. So you have to understand it's not like a call where there's a, lost cat or something.
Well, have
We'll
you
get
guys
it. We get it.
conducted your investigation?
Not yet. We're all just getting here, so we'll figure it out, sir, and we'll be out of here now.
Okay,
As long
so
as
y'all just
everything's
here
fine.
for okay.
Yep, absolutely.
And you don't want paramedics or anything? If you want, they can come check you out right down the block.
Dad,
Okay.
they're stepping on you.
Oh, lose consciousness or anything?
A little bit.
Dad,
I'm cool.
no, you're not. You have cancer. We can't. This isn't okay. This is not
totally
okay.
your
No, I don't need anything.
Yes, you do. Dad.
No, I don't. I'm not going to let anybody kill a girl in front of me.
No, you did the right thing.
No, he didn't.
I mean, he's trying to help her, so.
He didn't help at all. Now we're involved and they hate us. He didn't help them at all.
I just maybe I'll call Daddy again. Like,
Quick, fast, and hurt.
Yeah, do me a favor, sir. Just stay away from this area right here, okay? You can go over here. I appreciate it.
Can y'all please hurry up with your
Thank you.
investigation and get off my property, please, and thank you.
I'm not gonna right now, sir. I'm sorry.
Once y'all done, please get off my property.
Ma'am, don't walk through here, please. Just go around me.
This way my mama lives.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm going this way. Don't touch
Don't
me.
touch her. Don't touch her.
Yeah. You on
touch
your
her.
way?
You back up. Don't touch
Hey,
her.
hey, hey, we don't need this.
You're not allowing me to.
That's a dog.
We don't need this.
Don't touch my
You on
mom.
your way?
Straight up. Y'all want us to back
Okay,
up?
come
Y'all
on,
back
cause
up.
it's like
respect.
30 deep.
So respect.
who's that, Daddy?
All right, say less.
It's like 30 deep. I'm not walking up on you, but I need to get through here.
This is a crime scene.
It don't matter. You walking up. Don't walk up.
Take him. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. On your face.
Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Y'all trick her. Y'all trick her. Ain't worth it. Don't touch it. I was late.
It takes all this
Don't touch me. Don't
Confirmed gunfire and an active battery victim constituted exigent circumstances under Michigan versus Tyler 436 U.S. 499, authorizing warrantless presence on private property. Officers correctly applied it. One officer acknowledged on camera that no permission existed to enter the dwelling. That distinction is constitutionally critical. Outdoor exigency does not extend past the front door without consent or a warrant. Family members shouted, accused officers of harassment, and used profanity. Under City of Houston versus Hill 482 U.S. 451, that speech is constitutionally protected. Arresting any of them for words alone would have triggered direct civil liability under Section 1983. The central arrest stems from spitting on an officer. Under Florida Statute Section 784.7, that single act is a third-degree felony. No injury required. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirms probable cause for any criminal offense, including this one, justifies immediate arrest. Each verbal threat directed at an officer is a separate charge under Florida Statute Section 836.12. 4 counts were filed. That is correct. Flight from the scene provided independent grounds for apprehension under Illinois versus Wardlow, 528 U.S. 119. One officer told a civilian, "You'll go right back to prison, buddy." Not unlawful, but a professional failure. ILACP and PERF standards require officers to reduce tension. That remark amplified it and complicates any subsequent civil proceeding.
Bat Leo. Oh, Bat Leo, right there. Spit on my face. Bat Leo. Congratulations. Felony charge.
So what y'all taking him for?
Battery on Leo. Can you just spit in my face? Keep adding the charges, bud.
Yeah, you will.
Ma'am, can I tell you something? Ma'am, what are you doing?
Hey, Curcio. Watch her.
Man, don't come over here. Don't touch my mama. Okay.
Don't twist her arm. Don't touch me. Doesn't stay on the
I don't know
sidewalk.
what for. You ain't taking me no well. I tell you that, man. You ain't gonna take me no well.
Now you're going to jail for another Bat Leo.
2 Bat Leos. Got it.
Bat Leo threats to Leo. I hate y'all. Shooting a gun.
So what? I do it. I ain't got no gun. You can't do that. Where you? Move that. Move that. I saw the gun. What's your ass? Shoot. Move it.
I mean, you stared at me like a
Hey! Yeah.
You're not. That's my face. Yes, hey. Y'all back up, man.
We're not doing this.
No, we are not doing this. Come on, my face. Come on. They ain't worth it. We got a little work in the morning. They ain't worth it.
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just telling you
Can I talk
this.
to you over here?
How you telling me to come down when she walking all the way up in my face? I'm trying to make it a work tomorrow. But I don't need nobody all up in my face.
I'm just trying to talk to you. Do you want to talk to me?
No. Okay. Absolutely not. I don't have nothing to say to y'all. But I do. Don't try to handle my son. Don't. I'm not going over there. Oh, okay, that's what you call it? You harassing people.
I receive a paycheck for it.
Oh, I receive a paycheck for what I do too. I call what you call it. It's harassing. Hey, harassing. Harassing. And okay, so why all y'all is up on him like that?
Because he's not cooperating, ma'am.
Hey, you're not. So I told y'all to get out my face. For one boy.
Walk away.
Y'all walk away. For one boy. You walk away. You walk away. Hey, y'all get off my son like that.
Keeps kicking him.
Maybe if they'll let him
They're
go.
just trying to get him in the car, but he's resisting the whole time. He
Put
ran
your arm
from
out
us.
like this. Come on
He's
now.
an
It's
adult.
not what you do, it's how you do it.
Don't run and spit at cops.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
It's what he
Because you know
did.
what?
It's what
Y'all
he did.
wrong
He spit
too.
on cops.
Y'all wrong
Nobody's
too.
wrong. We got called
Yes, you
here.
are. You
We got
wrong.
okay.
You wrong.
We got called here. We didn't just show up.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Hey, don't tell my son nothing.
I'm lost. Curcio.
Because he was handling himself in the same manner that.
But it doesn't matter. He has no reason
He has
to
the
be
right to
detained right
speak.
now, according to the law.
Took flight and ran. So
Ran well. What you need to run for?
Y'all had him on the ground, so where the f did he
he ran
run?
from here to there.
Let me handle this.
He was up there when y'all came up with tasers on him with lights. So where the f did he run?
See, y'all
Where did he run?
respect for people
was
to
on
calm
his
down,
hands
but y'all
and
don't
knees.
give them.
Yes,
Y'all
so where
want
did
to
he run?
Let me handle this, son, please, because I'm not trying to go to jail because that's what it's going to get to the point. Now, listen to me. Y'all want respect, but y'all don't want to
Y'all
give
don't want
it.
to
I'm
give it.
giving it to you.
Y'all still say, okay, then why did you put your hands on my son?
I didn't touch arrest your son.
You just said y'all ran up on him with tasers and put my
Yes,
son on the
because
ground.
there was a shooting. I am
Okay,
protecting
but
the
they
evidence.
don't have nothing to do with no shooting. If you want to find out something, come up and ask. Don't pull guns and tasers on my children.
Yes, that's what
Period. Y'all
happened.
did.
Understand what I'm saying? Now, we pull guns and tasers on y'all, then what?
Okay,
That would be
first
bad
off,
news
don't
for
point
you,
your finger in my face.
I can point wherever the f*** I want to point
You'll
at.
go right back to prison, buddy.
No,
I got
you
no
have to go
problem
back.
putting your ass back in prison. I have no problem. I am the
Lieutenant.
You gonna kill me? Now you're going to jail.
Unnecessary. Just go. Hey, Lieutenant, we don't have permission to go inside the house.
I don't know what the these crackers smoking on.
And please go in the house. Please go in the house.
Daddy, I didn't do not one thing
I know
wrong.
you did, but please
I
go
ain't
in
do
the
nothing wrong.
house.
Just get on that corner right there. Hey, right there, that corner, so you can see all the way to the back. Okay, all right.
Chill out. Now, what is the problem? Y'all got my children all upset, and you can get me upset. Now, what's going on? No, we ain't done talking. Now, what's the problem? I want to know what the problem is. I wanted my son in there, but you say you're doing an investigation. The way you're doing investigation comes with respect, not the manner of showing y'all authority trying to run over people.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
What the f*** you mean you don't know what we're talking about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, f*** you.
Hell no, man.
I tell you what, all this really end. Y'all want a war, eventually gonna be there.
What kind of words?
You can't give me no affidavit. Why should I give you something? I'm trying to find out what the f*** going on my children. And y'all talking about bullshit. Y'all think y'all got a gun in your badge? Y'all man, f*** you mother.
Yeah, we're just gonna collect the gun shell casings and leave. That's it. Yep, 100%. 100%.
Get him and please go.
100%, sir. 100%.
Please, get him and go.
Yep, we're just collecting and then we're gonna go.
All right,
Yep, I'm counting down the seconds. Trust me. Man, I wish we could move faster.
Make sure y'all catch him that just shot in my yard.
Gotcha. I'm sure the neighborhood's gonna give us plenty of information for that, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Y'all please just get out of here.
We're as soon as we're doing it. Y'all have a great night. Take care. Nope.
Okay, catch you later.
City clear. We're taking it today.
Responding officers. B. Correct protocol. Fourth Amendment compliance, effective de-escalation by one officer. Grade reduced by one antagonistic remark that violated professional standards when the scene was already stabilizing. Arrested subject. D. Every charge was self-generated. Spitting, verbal threats, flight, and physical resistance produced 9 counts with no constitutional violation to challenge. Civilian family members, C+ and C, speech was protected. However, the male relative's weapon reference during a shots-fired investigation could have legally justified a weapons pat-down under Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1. Key takeaway. Verbal resistance has constitutional protection. Physical contact with an officer does not. That line, once crossed, converts a protected encounter into a felony arrest. De-escalation applies equally to civilians and officers alike. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
All right, everybody back in their cars, and we'll rendezvous somewhere else.
Try to get the victim out of next door. He doesn't want to be seen by the neighborhood.
That's fine. We'll, we've got...
So we got charges on which one?
We've got charges on...
Dude, it's already 10:15 and the guy...
And we don't have a victim next door?
We do.
We do. Did you have a phone number for it?
I'm going to go grab it. He's cooperative. He wants to go to FD, but he doesn't want to walk out in front of everybody. Just battery, yeah.
Just simple battery?
There's allegedly a female victim that he tried to intervene in some kind of domestic. They were beating the out of this girl. She ran off, so
we don't have her.
We just have
let's
him.
get a phone number for her.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.